Third problem. An amount of 65,000 is invested in 3 bonds at the rates of 6%, 8% and 9% per annum respectively. So for the 6%, 8% and 9%, the amount will be invested as rupees 65,000. So we can have the equation as 6% of x. The first bond is x and the second bond is y and the third bond is z. That invested amount is nothing but 65,000. Okay. So we can write this as x plus y plus z equal to 65,000. And this percentages, that is 6% of x, 8% of y and 9% of z is income. They got the income 4,800. So we can have the equation like this. So for the 6% of x we can write x into 6 by 100. 8% of y is y into 8 by 100. And 9% of z we can have this z into 9 by 100, which is equal to 4,800. So we can have this equation as 6x plus 8y plus 9z equal to 4,800 into this 100. So we have 4 crores 80,000. Okay, this is from the first statement we got this equation. And then we have the next statement here. The income from the third bond is 600 rupees more than that from the second bond. That means the difference between the second bond and the third bond is 600 rupees. Okay. So I can write this as income of z minus income of y equal to 600. This income of z is nothing but z into 9 by 100 minus income of y is nothing but y into 8 by 100 equal to 600. So I can write this as as a equation minus 8y plus 9z equal to 600 into 100. We can take this 100 to the other side. So it's a common here, 100 is common. So take this 100 to the other side, it will become 600 into 100. So we got 60,000. So the second equation is minus 8y plus 9z equal to 60,000. So now we got the first equation is x plus y plus z equal to 65,000. And the second equation is 6x plus 8y plus 9z equal to 4 crores 80 lakhs. 4 lakhs and 80,000, and here minus 8y plus 9z equal to 60,000. The third equation is here. So from these three equations I want to make the augmented matrix there. So I can write the augmented matrix here as 1 1 1 65,000 and then 689 4 lakhs 80,000, 0 minus 8 9 60,000. And then I want to make this as 0. So for this I can multiply this row by 6 and subtract from R2. So I have to multiply this by 6 there and subtract from R2. So that I got 0, 2, 3. Keep the third row as it is there. Now I got these two elements as 0 already here. So now our aim is to make this element as 0 here. For this what I can do there, we can multiply the second row by 4 and then subtract. If you add both the equations you will get the answer there, 0 as 0 here, isn't it? So what I can do here, so multiply with this by 4 here, so that it will become 0, 8, 12. If you multiply this one, 90,000 is there. By 4 if you multiply that, 36. Along with this 4 zeros you can have that. Okay. And then subtract this we have to add this along with R3. So what is R3 here? 0 minus 8, 9. Here this is 60,000. So add both the things, it will be 0. So we got 0 and 0. And then here 9 plus 12 is 21. And then 36 plus 6. So we have 4,20,000 there. Now we got the equivalent form as x plus y plus z equal to 65,000, and here 2y plus 3z equal to 90,000, and here 21z equal to 4,20,000. So we will get the value of z directly there. So that z is 20,000. Put this z in equation 2, so that we got the value of y as 30,000, and value of y is, here we got 15,000. Now we got the value of z and y. So keep this value in the equation 1, so that we have x plus 15,000 plus 20,000 equal to 65,000. So 20 plus 15 is 35. So take this 35 to the other side, it will become 65 minus 35 is x equal to 30,000. So now we got the price as x is 30,000, y is 50,000, 15,000, and z is 20.